Hi guys, in my previous videos I had discussed about Mendelian disorders. Today we are going to start with chromosomal disorders. Now what exactly is a chromosomal disorder? Any disorder that is caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. Okay, so here there is absence, excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome. Now let's see the exact different causes of chromosomal disorders. Now the first cause of chromosomal disorder is the condition known as aneuploidy. Now what is aneuploidy? Aneuploidy is, first of all, why it is caused. Now failure in separation of chromatids. Now when chromatids fail to separate, what exactly happens is there is loss or gain. There is loss or gain of one or more chromosomes. That means what? That means there can be extra chromosome by gaining, or there can be one less chromosome, one or two less chromosomes because of the loss. This is caused due to failure in separation. Okay, now let's see, this aneuploidy are of various types. The first type of aneuploidy is hypoploidy. Now hypoploidy means what? Hypo means less. When there are less number of chromosomes, for example there is 2n minus 1, means that when there is one chromosome is less, this condition is known as monosomy. It is known as what? Monosomy. Now when two chromosomes are less, that means 2n minus 2, this condition is known as nullisomy. This is known as what? Nullisomy. Then next is hyperploidy. Now hyperploidy means what? Hyper meaning more. When there are more number of chromosomes, for example there is 2n plus 1, that means 3, that is trisomy. This condition is known as trisomy. If there is 2n plus 2, this condition is known as tetrasomy. Okay, so monosomy, nullisomy, trisomy, tetrasomy, these are different types of conditions included in aneuploidy. I hope it is clear. Now see, the example of trisomy is trisomy 21, that is on 21st position in humans there is one extra chromosome. This means along with the pair there is one extra chromosome, that is 2n plus 1, is known as trisomy, and this type of disorder or syndrome is known as trisomy 21. Okay, so that is one of the examples. So let's see certain examples here. Now examples of chromosomal disorders, let's check. The first example which we are going to discuss here is Down syndrome. So example, Down's syndrome, also known as trisomy 21. More disorders I will be discussing in the next videos. Okay, so let's check this first disorder, which is a chromosomal disorder. Now here, along with the pair of chromosomes, for example this is position number 21. On 21st position there is a pair of chromosomes, right? So if this is a pair of chromosome, okay, there is one more chromosome here, right? So there are total 3 chromosomes here on the 21st position. Okay, so this is known as trisomy at 21. So trisomy 21. Now since this group of symptoms are there, so it is known as syndrome. Okay, so this syndrome was explained first by John Down. Okay, so therefore the name of the person is John Down. Okay, therefore it is known as Down's syndrome. Okay, so since So based on this, this another name is given. Now why it is caused? This is caused due to aneuploidy, that is failure of separation of chromatids. So this is caused due to this reason the Down syndrome is caused. Okay, so these are the two names, trisomy 21 and Down syndrome. Okay, now let's see the causes. The cause is aneuploidy. That is what? That is basically here there is failure in separation of chromatids. Okay, so this is the reason of what? Of the gain of extra chromosome at 21st position. Is it clear? So this is basically the cause of Down syndrome. Now let's see certain symptoms of Down syndrome. Now the symptoms of Down syndrome, if we start from head, okay, symptoms are, let's see the symptoms. If we start from head, the head is small, okay, and round. Okay, so this is one thing. Now if we consider face, nose, okay, these are flat. Is it clear? Then next, now if we talk about eyes, eyes have an extra muscular flap. Okay, then next is tongue. Tongue is having a kind of a furrow in it, okay, and it has a furrow in the tongue, okay, it is protruded, okay, so furrow and protruded. Is it clear? So this is all from head to face to eyes, tongue. Okay, now let's discuss other things. For example, their hands. So the hands here, the hand consists of a palm which is broad. Palm is broad, okay, and so hand consists of palm which is broad and consists of a crease, a different kind of a crease, a single crease in between. That's it. Okay, so this is the basic symptoms. More symptoms, important symptoms are they are mentally retarded. So there is mental retardation, okay, here, and the skeletal development is weak. Okay, so weak skeleton. Is it clear? So this is all about the symptoms. Okay, so we have discussed what is chromosomal disorder, then we have discussed first type of chromosomal disorder, that is Down syndrome, and in Down syndrome we have discussed the what is Down syndrome, what are the causes and what are the symptoms. I hope everything is clear. For the next chromosomal disorder, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.